Your solar panels could be losing thousands in savings without you knowing. Here are 10 signs of underperformance, ranked from least to most critical. From Axiom Eco Homes. Number 10. An inverter older than 10 years is likely losing efficiency and may fail soon. Most inverters last around 10 years. Number 9. If your electricity bill is higher than expected despite having solar, your system may be underperforming, costing you up to £500 extra each year. Number 8. Visible cracks or delamination let moisture into the panel, causing permanent power loss. Most panels have a 25-year warranty covering this. Number 7. New shading from trees or extensions can cut output by 20 to 50% on shaded panels. Even 10% shading can reduce total output by 20%. Number 6. Dirty panels or bird droppings can reduce output by 5 to 15%, especially on low-tilt roofs where rain doesn't wash debris away. Number 5. If your generation meter reading differs from the inverter display by more than 10%, you may be underpaid for your electricity. Number 4. A red or orange light on your inverter means it has detected a fault and is not generating electricity. Check it every few days. Number 3. A drop of more than 25% in output compared to the same month last year indicates a serious fault needing investigation. Number 2. Low daytime usage means you miss out on self-consumption savings. Shift appliances to daytime or add a battery to capture more. Number 1. Without a battery, you export excess energy cheaply and buy it back at peak rates, missing potential savings of around £300 a year. Spot any of these signs? Get a free solar health check from Axiom Eco Homes today.